My name is Himanshu Vashisht. I'm the Managing Director for Nielsen for Middle East Operations. As a business, Nielsen is doing well, but we always attempt to go and enable our client service team to see and help clients see beyond the corners. We got Rajesh Nagji to interact and coach our team with two basic objectives. The first objective was to enable the team to add more value to our clients. We pride ourselves in Nielsen to enable the client to see right just around the corner. And it is essential that the team has the ability, has the foresight, and has the skills required to enable it to see beyond the data in front of it. And that was our objective number one. The second thing we pride ourselves is the diversity we have. We have over 30 people in the team. And while we appreciate diversity, it has its own sets of challenges. It was essential to work with an experienced consultant who can help us harness this power of diversity. And that was the second objective for which we got Rajesh into the workshop. As a result of the training, we saw a distinct advantage in how the teams were able to work together, how they were to get more in the same task, and how they were able to leverage the different experiences all of them got into the table. They learned to appreciate the differences and therefore amplify the work they got out of teamwork. During the entire recessionary climate, we were able to maintain double-digit growths. Our employee satisfaction index has been on an upswing, and it has not only been an immediate benefit, but we have seen sustainable cultural changes that we have been able to maintain as a result of this training. All said and done, most of these training programs help you have incremental learning. So you learn how to be better, you learn how to set your objectives, how to move faster, how to attain more. But there are few training programs that you take away and they do a paradigm shift. They change the platform on which you are operating. And Rajesh's acceleration program is one of those programs. There are these beautiful nuggets which help you understand right from the basic and question the very way in which you're operating. And that to me is invaluable. I would say if you have had the basic training, if you've tried and tested the standard negotiation skills, sales skills, but you really want to go about and get a cultural change in the organization and achieve a paradigm shift, Rajesh is the answer for you. The best thing about Rajesh Nagji's training is it's very difficult to define the objective for which this training is useful. Yes, I can list it down and say it's useful for the team to increase the teamwork. It's useful for them to think differently. But if the applicability of that training is not just restricted to 9 to 6 in the workplace, for me, the best part of this training was that application of this training was in making them better people. They were better workers, they were better co-workers, they were better client servicing people, and they were better husbands and better fathers. And to me, that is the best part of engaging with Rajesh.